Hello everyone and welcome to another video tutorial. My mail app recently stopped working, telling me to verify my account by writing in my password, and then gave me this message, telling me it was unable to verify account name or password, despite both the account name and password being correct. If you are having the same issue, then congratulations, you found the right video. Here for me it doesn't show any accounts because I have done the following. First go to Mail and Accounts, and click on the email account that you are having issues with, and press the minus sign, removing it from the app. Then press the plus sign if you have other accounts. I don't have any, so I don't have to, and press Microsoft Exchange. I have tried to go through these other routes, like adding another account, but none of them seem to work. You press Microsoft Exchange, and you fill in your email address, and press sign in. You'll get this message, and again you press sign in. Now you will fill in your password for the email address, and you sign in. Here you will select only mail and done. Now when I go to my inbox, all of my mail is back and it is updated. It will take a short while for the emails to load in, but that's it. Let me know in the comments if this helped you, and have a great day!